Well, well, well. Here we go again. Do you guys remember Artisian builds? You know, the company that sunk themselves because of an egotistical CEO who tried to go after influencers? So then another SI called Overkill Computers looked at that and went, you know what, we can implode in an even worse way. The name is Overkill after all, so what do you expect? So after a influencer in a tech space called Circuit Board went after Overkill and the ridiculously highly priced PCs, because seriously, what on earth are these prices? They got a rather interesting message from one of the guys at Overkill Computers.
This comment comes from Overkill's creative director on Instagram. Have fun with your 20k view videos. From now on, brother. I wish you all well and I'm not threatening you in the slightest. Honestly, I feel bad for your situation. Let me know if I can do anything to help you out. Heart emoji.
If that condescending and totally not threatening message wasn't enough, then they also got this.
As of Monday, I was hand-delivered at my home a letter of cease and desist from the lawyer of Overkill. This alleges that I was defamatory towards that company. They also asked for me not only to cease and desist, but they want me to delete every single video that references them.
That's right, this company is trying to threaten someone over posting bad reviews of the service. Yeah, that's a big yikes. As you can imagine, the internet didn't take lightly to it, and it wasn't long until other tech outlets such as Greg Salazar spoke out against Overkill Computers and their pretty awful behavior. And seeing how even the runt of the little YouTubers like me are now talking about it, I guess it's game over. Right? Because what else can Overkill Computers do now? Their reputation is pretty much ruined for all eternity, just because of the CEO not wanting to deal with someone posting bad reviews of their services. And it got even more wild when their CEO said this.
And for a time, I may move in silence and put chess pieces in place. But you can rest assured, if you threaten my business, my family, and my livelihood, I will utilize every resource at my disposal to arrange a coordinated and effective response.
We will not give up, we will not forgive, and will do all that is necessary to end their actions.
So yeah, the future is not looking bright for the company because they have essentially ruined the reputation forever. So at this point, only one question remains. How many more companies must tech influencers sink before they get the memo? Because trust me, Artesian builds and Overkill Computers are not going to be the only ones. There's going to be a lot more to come in the near future. Because apparently someone didn't tell them that acting like this on the internet is a great way to get cancelled and have your entire business go bankrupt. Now again, Overkill Computers haven't gone bankrupt just yet, but just wait. It's going to happen any second now. But let me know what you think of this down in the comments below. I'm very curious to hear what you guys think is going to now happen to Overkill Computers. And hey, if you like this video and you want to help me make more awesome videos in the future, then the best way to ensure that that will happen is to support us on Patreon. Because even just one single dollar a month truly goes a long way, while you get awesome perks as well. Also, I'd like to thank my existing patrons, Gavin Burns, Ryan, OKB, Meg Sumner, Shane Ulfroth, Lansby, and Jesse Hubman. Thank you guys so much, support truly goes a long way. Down here you can find our merch store, our Discord server, and our social media links as well. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then remember, subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone, goodbye.